The RGC Group's Graduate Training Scheme. 5 years experience in just 2 years. Mining is one of Australia's most innovative and progressive industries, and the RGC Group is a leader in its field. The group includes RGC Limited, focusing on tin, copper, zinc, lead, industrial minerals and coal, while Goldfields Limited deals exclusively in gold and is one of Australia's largest listed gold miners. Together, they represent a major force in mining and exploration, both at home and overseas, with operations in Australia, Indonesia, the United States and Papua New Guinea. RGC is an international mineral sands producer of world significance, accounting for 40% of the world's synthetic rutile production, 35% of the zircon production and 25% of the world's rutile output. Similarly, RGC is also a tin producer of global significance. RGC is an Australian-owned company with 60% of its shares held by public and institutional investors. The remaining 40% are held by publicly listed UK company Hanson plc. The RGC's group aim, as reflected by its commitment to exploration, is to achieve a leading position in the natural resources industry. Its revenue performance is a direct result of the group's diversity and developments in exploration, expansion and acquisition. The RGC mission is to reward shareholders, customers and employees through continued growth within the minerals industry. But maintaining its leading position in the natural resources industry is not the only goal RGC has. Its superior management practices have helped create a role model for environmental care and commitment. The RGC environmental policy has committed the group to not merely meeting but often exceeding environmental regulations and expectations. Through its own scientific research and technology transfer program, RGC, with its best practice approach, has developed innovative and practical environmental management practices. We provide training and support for all our people. We monitor and publicly report on our environmental performance. And we value the future for our shareholders, customers and the community.
Our values at RGC are built around innovation, creativity, initiative and integrity. It's in this environment that we strive for the continued development and competitiveness of our employees, a team environment which allows and encourages existing practices to be questioned and improved.
3,500 people make up the RGC team worldwide and all enjoy equality of opportunity, respect and integrity. It's these qualities and RGC's standing in the minerals and mining industry which each year attract leading graduates to the RGC Group's training scheme. Graduates who gain in 2 years the experience of 5. The RGC Group. Your success is our future. A graduate traineeship in geology with the RGC Group means responsibility, hands-on experience and travel. All this and the chance to work as part of one of Australia's leading geological teams. With RGC's graduate training program in geology, the emphasis is on learning challenges rather than simply learning. These challenges provide graduates with the opportunity to travel to 4 locations across Australia, spending 6 months in each. During their time with RGC, graduates learn commodity and mining skills in a diversity of environments from underground to open cut and large alluvial mining. Trainees are able to advance their exploration skills in regional and prospect scale geological mapping, including data integration from geophysical, geochemical, remote sensing data sources. Graduates also gain in-depth experience in the planning and supervision of drilling programs, prospectivity assessments of various resources such as gold, copper, zinc and mineral sands, as well as advanced and innovative techniques in geochemistry, geophysics, resource and project evaluation, and direct access to specialists in exploration computing. In mining, graduates learn skills in underground and open pit mapping. They play an active role in the design and supervision of resource assessment, mining delineation and grade control. Computerized ore body interpretation and evaluation and state-of-the-art techniques for sampling are also part of the program. With the RGC Group's strong emphasis on career development, mechanical engineering graduates have the opportunity to build line management skills. These skills, combined with the exposure to numerous working environments, play an integral part in defining a career path. Supervision and coordination of small work teams is a key part of RGC's Mechanical Engineering Graduate Program. Graduates are given the guidance and support required to assume responsibility for project management, including design, procurement, and implementation. In mechanical engineering, you learn problem-solving skills and have the chance to appropriately apply them, along with the development of accident prevention awareness and environmental standards. There's also the opportunity to learn and understand workshop equipment and liaise with a broad range of mining disciplines. The experience an RGC graduate gains due to the group's diverse mining techniques and equipment also means they develop skills in maintenance management systems and help engineer plant improvements by actively participating in projects and the evaluation and implementation of new technology. As a mining engineering graduate, RGC's infrastructure and management style provides the diversity of a large company, with the career opportunities and recognition normally associated with smaller organisations. During their 2 years of training with the RGC Group, mining engineering graduates gain valuable on-site experience at a minimum of 3 mines. This provides exposure to various mining operations and an enormous range of mining techniques. Hands-on operating experience is gained in heavy mobile and fixed plant operation, drilling and blasting, pumping and drainage, ventilation, ground reinforcement, and processing and rehabilitation. In just 2 years, RGC Group graduates develop a diverse range of mine planning experience, largely due to the group's heavy emphasis on teamwork. They have direct responsibility for stope and access development design, ventilation monitoring, and ore body related planning. This includes short and long-term production schedules, generating mining concepts and mining layouts, ventilation, dewatering, filling, ground control, drill and blast designs, and liaison with other departments. A graduate traineeship in metallurgy, mineral processing, metallurgical engineering or chemical engineering with RGC means appreciation. Appreciation of the challenges the industry offers through RGC's diverse range of operational environments. Responsibility is a key word for metallurgy graduates in the RGC trainee scheme. Responsibility for monitoring plant performance. Responsibility for diagnostic test work. And responsibility for ongoing plant surveys. Graduates gain experience in a diverse range of metallurgical process circuits, from comminution, flotation, gravity, magnetic and electrostatic separation to new technological techniques. They are also responsible for metallurgical accounting and the generation of production statistics reports. RGC graduates assume responsibility for process monitoring, sophisticated process control optimization, processing performance reports, and metallurgical accounting. Through the use of this hands-on operational experience, they gain a thorough understanding of the process, contribute to its improvement, and develop an empathy with the workplace culture. For graduate electrical engineers, RGC means 2 years of practical experience. The value of this experience is framed by the varied management practices employed at RGC sites around the world. The hands-on nature of RGC's electrical engineering trainee scheme means you gain diverse experience in the operation of mining and process machinery, along with the management of projects, responsibility for design, tender management, and construction and installation. This experience is gained in a range of operating environments, including underground, open cut, and mineral processing. Skills are developed in fault finding of process plants, alternate current and direct current variable speed drives, and magnetic flow meters, plus exposure to control systems. Through the course of their on-site experience with RGC, graduates develop a strong network of professional contacts within the group. They design and install programmable logic controller systems for old and new plants, develop skills in network communications for PLCs and personal computers. The geographic spread of RGC operations provides environmental science and engineering trainees with a unique and challenging 2-year experience. An experience which provides them with technical expertise and positive cultural exposure. Due to the geographical spread of the RGC Group, environmental graduate trainees are exposed to unique environmental conditions. It's a program which develops skills beyond specific expertise, allowing graduates to deal with any environmental issue relevant to the mining and mineral processing undertaken by the group. Graduates undertake projects involving planning, data collection, analysis and report preparation under the supervision of the environmental site specialist. Projects such as environmental assessment and planning, air or water quality monitoring, biological monitoring, rehabilitation and environmental management issues are all managed by graduates. With RGC, graduates gain strong technical and management skills to enable all issues to be managed through a disciplined approach. In RGC's accounting program, graduate trainees develop leading technical and management skills. Skills which allow them to play a vital role in the operation of one of Australia's leading mining and exploration groups. Graduate trainees in accounting gain exposure to operations at corporate, divisional and site levels of RGC operations. This multi-level exposure means they achieve and learn far more than conventional graduate programs and play a key role in helping to run the RGC business. They gain valuable experience with accounting systems, including spreadsheets, the latest modelling tools and accounting packages. They also develop skills in a wide range of practices from base processing, including accounts payable and purchasing, through to consolidation of key financial statements. As with all of RGC's graduates, teamwork is vital, and accounting graduates quickly learn the value of being part of a highly efficient and effective team. A team whose enormous experience helps them gain an understanding of modern mining operations, as well as play a key role in the operation of one of Australia's leading mining companies. The RGC Group's values and culture encourage high achievers and recognises performance with increased responsibility, career progression and financial rewards.
RGC graduates are expected to embrace high ethical standards, apply the latest business and industry technologies, to foster leadership skills and pursue personal career goals. The RGC Group has a rich heritage and a tradition of excellence, and it's all due to the quality of our people.
If you can demonstrate that you have the ability and drive to achieve, are well organised, concerned about quality and have perseverance and adaptability, then the RGC team and its 5-into-2 graduate training scheme is for you. The RGC Group. Your success is our future.